This is problem number 3 of GATE 2013. Assume zero initial condition, the response yt of the system given below to a, okay, this is a system, us is the input and the impulse response is 1 by s, and we have output y of s, right? Now this is the system given below to a unit step function where this is equals to ut. Okay, now not this is equals to ut, this is unit step function, so us will be 1 by s, right? Now u output Laplace divided by unit input Laplace, we have this 1 by s, this 1 by s. Now y is equals to 1 by s of us, and us is 1 by s, so 1 by s square. So if I take the inverse Laplace, we have yt is equals to the inverse Laplace of 1 by s will be t ut, because you know that t to the power n ut, if we take the Laplace transform, we have n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. So if we put the value n equals to 1, we have 1 divided by 1 by s, 1 divided by a square. So this is the thing, and we have ft. If I take the inverse Laplace, we have t ut. So the correct option is option B.